Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I'm going to have some fun doing what everybody else does and do a Dutch pour. It might still wind up being my way, which is pretty much par for the course. I'll take that thing out of there. Look suspiciously like a dog hair. We will spread our Meeden white paint, which I'm kind of hoping will be a facilitatory tool. I'm going to use a shovel to apply a couple, or at least one strip of white heavy paint, and then put some black paint on either side of it and put my colors down the middle. That's my plan anyway at this point. Now the Floetrol and GAC 800 in my mixture, my paint pouring recipe is below the video, but the Floetrol should level the paint if I'm quick enough at this. I'm not sure where these things came from because it's brand new paint, but I think I used an old bottle, so I should learn a lesson and clean my bottles out more thoroughly. But it's an old artist loft bottle, even so I don't think there's any way to save them. I just shouldn't have switched brands. Alright, so I'm pretty well covered. I'm going to throw that spatula over here for the moment. I'm going to grab my shovel. I'm going to fill it up full of white paint. Let's see how far it takes me. Not far. I thought about using a small dustpan. It's a lot of paint. It's something I'm not used to doing. But I kind of want an even puddle, and that's why I'm doing it this way. Maybe I don't need to worry too much about the very ends. But I would like to let that paint just run out. Alright, so then what I'm going to do, which is different, I think. I haven't seen very many Dutch pours. I mean, since they started I've seen my fair share, but not probably everybody else's fair share who's interested in Dutch pours. And I have to always put my own spin on things. So I've got my favorite colors over here. And I'm just going to wind them right through my center. That was my 24 karat gold Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. This is the Venetian blue that would normally sink, but because it's the Meeden white, which you can get on my Amazon link underneath the link tree, is my Amazon link. Let's see if it stays up. Let's make sure everything is shaken. This is a peacock metallic from Folk Art, and that is a string of something that does not belong, that is no longer there. I have to remember to grab my magenta. Either that or I'm going to use my, yeah, I think I'm going to use the pre-mixed Hot Orchid. Before I figured out that I saved the metallic part of it by following instructions and putting water in. Instead I put, what is it called? I put polypore in, which is fine, but you still lose the quality that you like. I'm going to sneak a little bit of my purple flash from Folk Art, because that's my favorite color, and every time I add that, that just makes me happy. I think I'm probably going to put every color I can think of in here, including orange. And I did actually find the diffuser for the front of my blow dryer. I'm going to put, yes. I thought I put some black in there too, but I'm kind of hoping that the black on the outside edge is going to be what I need it to be as a catalyst. Alright, so here goes nothing. That's okay. I got most of my bright colors down on one end, so I'm really considering trying a little bit of my hot orchid on this other end and seeing how that works. I like the way that works just fine. So there's a good chance I might want to try something else that I like in combining these two things. This is my neon purple from Folk Art that I added golden iridescent pearl fine to. And I want to put a little bit of that Mead and Black right in here. This is just my own way of, my own spin on things. I just wanted so bad just to take my airbrush and blow the edges of this out. And around a little bit. That was maybe not a wise move. Not only that, my friend is at the front door and I need to go let her in. Hang on. Okay, well, that's interesting, and I need more time with that, so I'm going to torch really quickly. See what's happening here. Oh, I like that. That just means I'm going to do a whole bunch more of that right now while I still can. Black. This shape down here isn't making me happy yet. Hopefully someone will go let my friend in. Alright, so that did not push that black down nearly far enough. But that's a little better. I always want to use like a basting brush. That's pretty cool actually. I'm okay with that. So I'm going to call it good and go see about my friend. You guys, there's like 92,000 subscribers on my channel, and if you're new, please be welcomed, and if you're not new, thank you for being here, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you guys anon. Look at the link tree underneath the video for everything that you might want to know about my Facebook groups, my website. Shopping my Amazon link is very helpful. Give me a thumbs up. If you share my videos and watch them longer, you help me, and even more so when the notifications come out. I will talk to you guys anon. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and look for my 2 books. They're on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.